It's not looking good, Bev. It's not looking good.
สายป่านไม่รู้อยู่ไหนเรียกสายป่าน
อยู่ไหน I don't want peace. I want problems always.
I wanna go home. I wanna go home.
You're gonna look at me and you're gonna tell me that I'm wrong? Am I wrong? 4 fucking seconds! It took you 4 fucking seconds to piss me off again!
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle.